What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome today to a brand new video. Today we are back in Ghost Recon Wildlands. Without further ado, let's get right in the video. Okay, and we're back in Ghost Recon Wildlands. Now, in the last episode, we did actually take out this guy, the guy with the sunglasses, and we supposedly automatically came to this guy. And also, supposedly, we've already searched some of his map, which I don't remember doing, but okay, we did. But we do need to get intel about him, so yeah, let's quickly just head over there and see what this guy, what kind of trouble he's caused. Come on lads, jump in.
Hang on, I'll drive.
Okay guys, we're here. As you can see, we did take the bit of a scenic route. We are on train tracks. Yep. So we are here, and it looks... Okay, yeah, that's not a good start. Right, back up. Well. Oh, come on. No, don't shoot. Do not shoot. Right, let's get out. Right, duck down. Now, shut up. Where even is he?
Oh, here we go. They've seen us.
Is that him? I really don't know. Well, if they've seen us, they've seen us, so...
Ready?
Fire.
Open fire.
We'll go. Target eliminated.
Really?
Fuck, we're made.
Yeah, let's just go for it. Come on!
What the hell are you doing?
Shit
Take
balls.
cover.
Okay, that didn't go well.
Opening fire on these fuckers.
That was it?
Clear. How you guys holding up?
Okay. That was a lot easier than I thought. Okay, right, okay. Right, let's have a little look in here. Got some intel on this guy. Yo, buddy, where are ya?
I got mentions of a meeting between El Cheeto's agent and Santa Blanca lieutenants. There's no location
Alright,
on
let's
the
go.
meeting, but wait. We've got an address for the hotel where the assistant to the agent checked in for the night.
Assistant to the agent? These showbiz types sure like to bring an entourage. Makes them feel important.
Whatever. Let's find this assistant. Chances are he'll lead us to his boss.
Hooah.
Okay, so again, it's one of these assistant ones, and I've just noticed I'm going the wrong way. And there are reinforcements coming. Well, guys, good luck with that. Right, where do I need to go? That way. Right, let's go this way. Rock! Big run! Do not get stuck. Do not get stuck. Okay. Come on. That was a bad idea. Right. Wheelie work. Come on. Right, I've turned around. There's a little hole. Come on. Okay, we're free. That was a bad move. Alright, we're going down here slowly. No, we're not. Come on, let's go! Woo! Oh no. Do I have a parachute? Well, I'm dead. Guys, help! Oh, look at that. And we landed in an enemy area. Brilliant. I need to get my bike back. Actually, in fact, there are actually vehicles just in this little base here, actually. So, yeah, we'll just take one of them. Well, guys, I hope you wanted to be here, because we're here. I'm sure they won't mind if we take one, will they? Just...
Hi, how are you?
I'm back here for the spot.
Hello there.
Do that. Shut up. There's another guy around there, but he's far away. Right. Well, we've got to take one of these trucks. We'll be invincible. Right, come on, buddy, jump in. Right, my other guy can't get in. Is it only just two? Look, there's doors on the back. Open the doors and jump in. Right, we'll go this way. Oh, hello, buddy. Good. Right, well, we're here anyway. Yeah, sorry about your car. Yeah, I'm sure it's mine, right? Good, mate. Right, so we've got to go here and locate the assistant. Oh, I'm just going to walk in. I've got a gun. Has he got a gun? No. There he is. No, grab him. Come here. Oh, you got to... Oh. So we got to locate him, but not kill him, right? Or grab him. Right, okay, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense, actually. There he is. Now what? Tail the assistant, remain undetected. Oh, which way is he going to turn? Please don't turn this way, please don't turn this way, please don't turn this way. Okay. Shush! I will kill you.
Marking a hostile. He's close to some locals.
Get in this car. Well, we've got to get that other car. He saw us. Failed. How did he see us? And we're back. Right, yes, he's there. Look, blah, blah, right.
We got a tango with multiple civilians around.
Right, we'll stand behind this guy until he's literally out of sight. Then we run over to that car and jump in and go after him. Get in your car, good. Right, let's go. No, 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 don't you dare see me. How can you see me? How can he see me? Jesus! Can't I go yet? Quick, 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 quick.
Buckle up, people.
Right, yeah, see you guys later. Target's too far. No, he's not. He's not. Come on, it's plummeting. Okay, we're good. Okay, we know where he's going. Oh, that's where he's getting out, is he? Me first. Yeah. Oh, thank God. Oh, I thought we failed it again. Oh, we got these two.
Got another tango.
Oh, there was two. Oh, there he is. That's the other one.
Tango marked, but he's got a civilian nearby.
You on the roof? No one on the roof. Him around here. Okay, I think that's all of them. Oh, July. Right, so I need to
I'm moving
take
to
him out.
position.
And
I need to
him.
get to a better position. Target acquired. Standing by.
Yeah, wait for the number two. Come on, number two.
Roger that. Target marked.
Out.
Tango down.
Perfect. You've got to be joking.
Firing. Their LT's making a run for it.
That wasn't even my fault. They showed up. Right, is this another entrance? Ah, there's two entrances. Oh, that's good to know.
Deploying drone.
Right, we've got that guy
tango.
there. Another one
Target
there.
marked. Keep an eye on your background.
Anybody else? No, for now it's
Got
just
it,
these
moving.
two.
Let me find a good position.
Make sure no one else
Got the
comes.
target.
Well, I think I'm more. Ah, right, it says
Lost the
into
target.
it. Right, 1 minute, no. Yeah, but look, it says to me they want me to go in.
Target acquired.
Where?
Lost visual on the target.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Hang on, let me just get this guy right. Get him off. And get him off. Right.
Got
Whoa!
eyes on the captain.
Okay. You mind if I just stand here and watch? Oh, battery's going down. Right, use the drone to record the meeting. I've got low battery. No, you're not. No, 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 no. Hell no. I'm laying down. Ooh, you are not making me lose this. I finally got in it. I'm not losing this now. How's battery? Right, full battery. Right, I know where to go now. I know where to go. Windows. I don't know anything of this. Where is it? In here.
2 Sicarios. Over at the dump.
Shush!
Tango marked. He's a little close to civilians.
Yo, 2 cartel gunmen. Close to the dump.
Right, now
Bowman,
what?
We tracked El Cheeto's agent to a meeting with Santa Blanca. The cartel
complete,
people were
right.
really big on him spreading his promotional materials. There's a promo truck that'll be making the rounds of this part of Bolivia.
El Cheeto's a big deal for the
Right, there's a window here.
Just like cartel propaganda.
So we take out the promo truck. Holt loves blowing shit up.
We can't just blow up the truck.
Why
There's
not?
got to be a warehouse stocking more promo materials. We swap out the truck for one loaded with C4. I'll have Pakatari's people come up with a copy of the promo truck. When that truck goes back to the warehouse full of promotional material, that's when we blow it.
Sounds high risk. You already have a truck?
I'll get what we need. You just need to get the truck. And keep your nose to the ground to see what else we can do to undermine the cartel's influence in the province.
Got it. We'll get your truck.
Okay, yeah. I'm just going to take one of their cars. Just so they know. Right. So, where is this oh my god, that's a
We've
far.
located the warehouse where the equipment is being stored for El
Hang
Cheeto's
on, I'll
concert.
drive.
We're gonna use the concert's promo truck to take it out.
Good to go.
All you have to do is steal it.
Okay, sounds easy enough. Just got to steal a truck. Right, we are here, and I've just noticed it says locate the promo truck without being detected. Okay, I can do that. Without being detected, how hard can that be? Alright, I found the truck. You can see it from here. How low do I need to get? Come on. This low enough? No, what about that one? Do I have to get out? Do I have to like actually land the head chopper and get out? Are you kidding me? I land on the roof? Come on, I can see the truck! Right, I think I'm making quite a lot of noise, so... I found it! Now what? Oh, steal it! Oh. Okay. No, 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 no. Jump down, just jump down, just jump down. This guy's ruining it! You're ruining it! Oh, so I'm gonna shoot him. I'm not sure about anyone else. Let's get the drone up. Have a little look. No, he's there. Oh, he's over there. Oh my god, that's easy peasy lemon squeezy, right. Let me get a little sniper out and... Stop moving. Stop moving. Perfect, stay. Are you kidding me? Did you seriously just sit down? Hello mate, I'm your worst nightmare, right. Thank you. And I'm going to take this guy out as well, just for the funds. Knock knock,
Hang
who's
back,
there?
that Tango might spot you.
No, he didn't spot me. I am the best. No, got another guy over here somewhere. Where is he? Where are ya? He's somewhere around here. I can hear them. We could just take the truck and just drive off, which I'm going to do, actually. Yeah, sort those guys. Right. Take the truck.
Go ahead, I'll catch up.
I'm leaving you guys here. that was easy. Deliver the truck. And I'm going the wrong way. Right, well, I've got to go backwards, haven't I? Brakes! Alright, don't want to break anything. Oops. Happy? Hang on, I've got to park it correctly. Hey, I parked. Happy? Yo, buddy, we got to talk to ya.
¿Qué pedo? ¿Algo se
Muy
está
bien.
moviendo ahí?
Oh.
¿Qué pasa, güey? Ah, falsa alarma. Qué bueno.
I'll take the replacement truck. Oh, right, gotcha. Wait, we've got to do all this in... Oh my god, are you kidding me? Right, okay, yeah, we failed this, I think. So we've got to take this one over here and...
Clear out. I'll meet you there.
You've got to be kidding me. Yeah, timeout. Right, now I know what we've got to do, alright? I know what we've got to do. It'll be a lot quicker. Is that alright? Is that alright? Is that good?
Firing.
Let's just take the truck and go. Look at this. Look at this. Right, we've got 3 minutes. Come on. Go that way. Yes, it
Go
is.
on without me.
Also the gaps in the story. The blank spaces.
Can't see anything. Right, that's better. Right, turn it back on. It's much easier. Right, is it this way? Yes, it is, right. Come on. Well, that's the bad truck we've got to take to him. Alright, park it here. Yeah, that's all you're getting. Right, now get in the other truck. Go, 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 go.
Bad guys in the area.
Talk to the rebel. Come on, do I need to talk to him? Right, blah, 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 blah. Alright, good. Yes, right, that's good, that's good. Come on. Get in it, get in it, get in it, get in it. Start it up, go, floor it, put your foot down. Come on, we've got 1 minute. 40 seconds.
Go ahead without me.
I will go ahead without you, don't you worry about that. Can't see any light off. Wrong one, that one, that's better. Light's back on though. Hopefully they won't notice that it's been driven in forwards, not backwards, I hope, so I'm not driving it in backwards. Probably will do if I have to, but I hope I don't. Leave the area, okay, I can do that. Run! Guys, that's all I can say to you, just run away. I just went straight through that barrel, I'll talk about it. Run, run, run. Please. Please, have I done it? Please. My guys are still there, but I don't care. Have I done it? Oh, yes! Oh my god, finally. God. That, I know it looks like, oh, that was easy. God in heaven.
Damn, they did not like the sound of that.
Really? What happened? Did it blow up? Did that truck blow up? Oh, it did. Ah. It wasn't me!
I'm opening fire on these shitheads.
It's alright, got him. Well, that's a great... Okay. Duck down. Right, well. There's a guy over there as well. Done? Ow. Okay, that hurt. That hurt. You can die for that. And your friend. yeah, I'll let those guys do whatever they want. Anyway, guys, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It will be down there. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.